Is it the right time to buy or sell Google stock? Today, we're going to take a deep dive into Google. We initially published a report on our website on Thursday, February 1, 2024, and now we're back with an even more detailed analysis just for you. To stay updated on our latest analysis, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Missing out on crucial updates that could impact your investments is something you definitely want to avoid. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI today and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 31, 2024, our system has classified Google as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.53. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Surprisingly, the stock has outperformed our system's prediction, yielding a gain of 0.76%. This signifies an average daily return of 0.38% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently in a strong upward trend in the short term, presenting a potential buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $140.38 is broken, it could indicate a slower rate of growth or even a shift in the trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected change of 12.41% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 11.79% to 22.91%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected change of 46.88% over the next year, offering a potential return between 40.35% and 60.34%. This translates to a price range of $198.12 to $226.33 after 1 year. Our latest update for Google brings you some exciting news. On Thursday, the Google stock experienced a positive trend, gaining 0.757%. Let's take a closer look at the details. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, February 1, 2024, the Google stock price rose from $140.10 to $141.16. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $140.79 and a high of $143.06, showing a 1.61% variation. While the stock has risen in 7 out of the last 10 days, it is still down by -1.62% over this period. Additionally, the volume of shares traded decreased by 34 million shares on the last day, with a total of 37 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $5.21 billion. It's important to note that a decrease in volume on higher prices can indicate a potential divergence and serve as an early warning for possible changes in the coming days. Now, let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for Google stock was $153.78, while the lowest price was $88.58. Currently, the price is 8.21% or $12.62 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 94.24% or $2,307.76 below the all-time high, which was reached on June 14, 2021, at $2,448.92. Keep these figures in mind as we continue to track Google's performance. Today, I want to discuss some recent analyst ratings for Alphabet Incorporated, the parent company of Google. On Wednesday, January 31, 2024, William Blair gave Google a rating of outperform with a recommendation to hold. Similarly, Citigroup also rated Google as a buy with a recommendation to hold on Wednesday, January 31, 2024. Moving on to Monday, January 29, 2024, KeyBank assigned Google an overweight rating with a recommendation to hold. Barclays, on the same day, gave Google an overweight rating with a recommendation to hold. Lastly, on Wednesday, December 27, 2023, Wedbush rated Google as outperform with a recommendation to hold. Analysts have given Google stock a general rating of strong buy. The analysts highly recommend buying the stock based on its PE ratio and price to book, both of which are rated as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also give Google stock a rating of strong buy. In this video, we'll discuss the signals that have been identified for Google stock. Firstly, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be considered an early warning. It's important to closely monitor the stock in this situation. Additionally, some negative signals have been issued, which could have an impact on the stock's near short-term development. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest sell signals, indicating a more negative forecast for the stock. On corrections upward, there will be resistance at the price levels of $148.43 and $141.31. If the stock breaks above these levels, it will issue buy signals. Furthermore, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, January 29, 2024, resulting in a decline of -8.05% so far. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Today, we'll be discussing some interesting signals that may catch your attention. Let's dive right in. The moving average convergence divergence is showing a buy signal. Pivots have indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger is giving a buy signal that occurred 4 days ago as well. The short-term moving average has shown a sell signal 3 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average has also indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following trends. The short moving average is currently displaying a sell signal 3 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average is giving a buy signal that occurred 32 days ago. Finally, when we consider the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we see a buy signal that happened 47 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more valuable signals and insights. Today we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss levels for Google's stock. When it comes to support, Google currently finds it at $140.10. This level is important because it indicates a potential buying opportunity. Typically, when support is tested, we can expect an upwards reaction in the stock's price. So, keep an eye on this level. Now, let's talk about risk. Google has average movements during the day, meaning it doesn't experience extreme volatility. With good trading volume, the risk associated with this stock is considered medium. This is important to keep in mind when making investment decisions. In terms of recent price movements, within the last day, Google's stock moved $2.27 between its high and low, representing a 1.61% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.75%. This gives us an idea of how much the stock's price can fluctuate on a daily basis. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Google, it's important to cover some essential fundamental data. Let's start with the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Google's P/E ratio falls within a relatively normal range, which is often seen in businesses with a long track record or predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2023 is expected to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings report stand at $1.60. It's crucial to keep a close watch on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Google. In the case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google stands at $145.99. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. However, for those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Google faces its first support level at $140.10. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, allowing you to anticipate a rebound. Analysts have given Google a strong buy rating based on their combined average rating from multiple sources. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. Pichai Sundar, a prominent insider, was involved in the 5 most recent trades. He bought and sold a total of 22,500 shares or options in the company. The insider power, calculated based on the 3 most recent trades, shows a negative ratio of -97.869. In the last 3 trades, insiders purchased a total of 0 shares and sold 22,500 shares. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock and it is advised to proceed with caution. It is important to note that no stop loss has been set for this investment. Is it a good idea to invest in Google stock? Currently, the Google stock shows several negative signals. Despite the positive trend, we anticipate weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock is negative. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For the trading session on Friday, February 2nd, we predict that Google will open up $0.510 and commence trading at $141.67. Before we begin, let's talk about the risks involved in trading. It's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our stock analysis. Today, we'll be discussing our current view on this particular stock. We value your opinion, so make sure to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious to know what your target is for this stock. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable trading insights. We hope you have a successful trading journey and a wonderful day. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.